Using McDonald's order machine is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys will be able to use McDonald's order machine. However, the McDonald's order machine is called as kiosk or McDonald's kiosk. So what you have to do is you just have to go to kiosk. This is what you will see. Just tap on this start. Now after tapping on this start, this is what you will see next. Here you have to select whatever type of food you want to eat. Do you want to add desserts? You want to add Happy Meals, breakfast, McCafe, everything. You just have to tap on the specific list. Now it will open up the type of food you want to order. Now in this list, you just have to, select whatever the food that you want to order. Either you want to eat Happy Meal, double patty burgers, double cheeseburger, just have to select the one according to you. Now, after selecting that food, what it will do is it will allow you to either add it directly to your cart or you can actually customize it. Now, by customization means you can actually remove some cheese or extra lettuce, or you can remove these type of things in the customization. However, if you like anything, just tap on this add to cart. Now this will add this specific product to the cart. Now what you have to do is you just have to select multiple products, whichever you want to eat, to carts so that you can check out at the same time. Now, as you can see, this is what you will be able to see in the cart section. Just tap on this pay now. Now, in the pay now, they will want you to, make a payment by tapping or swiping your card. You just have to do that. Now, after swiping your card, your payment will be done, and then they will give you a receipt and your order number. Now, you just have to wait for the order number 66. When the order number 66 comes, just go to the counter, give them the receipt, and they will give you the order. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to use McDonald's order machine. Hope you guys find this video helpful.